Baby, park down the street. Let's be discreet. They can't see this double I. You my freaky freak. I ain't tryna lose you, cause I choose you. You don't fuck me for no money. I amuse you. Hitting it from the back, just like that. I abuse you. Get fucked about no niggas at all, but I accuse you. Know them other suckers got no money, so they use you. Remember me going berserk off the perks, is what them blues do. You know that pussy.
I've been walking through the shadows of my mind. Every step another piece I leave behind. Echoes whisper through the cracks inside my soul.
Let me tell you something. The gym is one of the few things in life that truly matters. Because in that place, no matter how lost you feel, you can